Hi friends, welcome to Affairscloud. Friends, today I am going to suggest you an best app in our platform. In the learning platform, the best app name is Careers Cloud. You can download this app in the Play Store and you can log in using your Gmail account. Okay, and you can use this app for learning various things like current affairs, banking and insurance, and you can even prepare for SSC exams, railways exam, and UPSC exam. And why I am telling this is the best app is here the contents are so good, and even like you will be provided content and you will be provided with a test for revising what and all you have studied. And the best part is you will be getting many offers also in our app. Like once you download, you can see various apps, various offers for you by which you can uh, buy that courses or buy that whichever which current affairs if you need you can buy that. So but we will be giving various offers for that, so you can get your products at a very reduced price also, which will be very benefited for you. And the main thing is like you can contents will be you will be providing with the like topic wise, see banking and economy topic wise it is there, and even exam wise we will be providing content, state wise contents are there. So this and all will be very helpful for you in preparing, and which will be like you won't be forgetting it very easily, and it will be very easy for you to memorize it also. And by studying this topic wise, you won't be getting confused. In exam when you see the options you can crack it easily, or in the first slot itself you can see and find the answer. And even we are providing like national affairs separately, month wise we are providing, and for this not only we are providing content but also quizzes we are providing. So just try your app and you will never stop using it. We have provided like day wise current affairs also, we are providing weekly wise, and next we'll be providing month wise also. Month wise also we are providing top hundreds and static gks. So once you can read it like day wise, you can read it, then you can revise using our quizzes, and then you can go for weekly. So multiple times when you're reading you won't forget that, so you can answer it correctly in the exams also. Okay, friends. Now we will go to current affairs section. We are going to see banking and finance related current affairs of current happenings. Okay, first current affairs is about RBI has granted approval for appointment of Isha Ambani, Anshuman Thakur, and Hitesh Kumar Setia as the directors of Geo Financial Services Limited. Which companies they have approved is Geo Financial Service Limited. Okay, and this Geo Financial Services Limited is a NBFC. It is backed by Reliance Industries Limited. So RBI is approved these three persons as directors. Okay, and about Isha Ambani, Isha Ambani is a key member of executive leadership team at Reliance Retail, and she was the most important person behind the launching Geo in India. We all be knowing Geo's network. So this revolutionary SIM, and this concept behind this most important person is this Isha Ambani. And about Anshuman Thakur, he has 24 years of experience in corporate strategy and investment banking, currently serving as the senior vice president at Geo Platforms Limited. And about Hitesh Tetiya, he is a chartered accountant and has been a financial services executive with over 2 decades of experience across Europe, Asia, and North America. So these three persons has been granted approval for appointment as directors of Geo Financial Service Limited, and that appointment is valid for 6 months. So within 6 months they should take their positions, else they should again apply for this post. And about Geo Financial Service Limited, it was founded in 1999. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And now it is about like a regulatory norms. RBI has strengthened the regulation on consumer lending, mandates higher capital buffers for banks and NBFCs. Now we will see what is this capital buffer. Who has told this? RB has told this. Capital buffer means, for example, just an example I am telling. It is a bank. He is a person. Bank is giving 100 rupees loan. If he is a person like salaried person, a government employee, then risk of he not paying back is will be very less. See, might be some 1% or 2% is the risk of he not paying back, because he is a government employee and his salaries will be coming to the bank every month. So his risk of not paying the amount back is 1 to 2 percentage. So 1 to 2 percentage of 100 is 1 to 2 rupees. This is the buffer. Bank will take this amount and keep separately, as like this might come or might not come. This is the capital buffer kept by bank. Okay. And see, now if he is a private employee, same 100 rupees, here risk will be more, maybe some around 10 percentage risk will be more. So what bank will do? 10 rupees bank will take and keep aside. Okay, like this might be risk, this amount might come or might not come. So this is called capital buffer. This amount kept aside to mitigate the risk, it is called capital buffer. And why RBI has recently done this reason is, RBI has found that there is a rapid growth in the consumer loan. Okay, if see their consumer loan, it is going very high. So these loans will be more in the banks. So there should be some say like precautionary action taken by the bank. So they have done this. See, for we see the buffers, what and all they have increased. RBI increased the risk weights on credit card exposures by 25 points. See, for bank, before for banks, this credit card exposure, that this is 125 percentage before. Okay, and for NBFC it is 100 percentage. Now they have increased by 25 basis points. So for banks now it is 150, and for NBFC now it is 125. What is the meaning basically is, see, if by using a credit card, if a person uses 100 rupees, bank should take and keep 150 rupees aside as capital buffer, which means there is a high risk on credit card. So anybody can say why there is a high risk on credit card means there will be no collateral. Okay, because only credit card will be given, no collateral will be taken from the customers. So this is a very high risk. Okay, and this will not be applicable to housing loans, education loans, vehicle loans, and loans secured by gold and gold jewelry. You can see housing loans, house will be there, vehicle loans, vehicle will be there, and gold jewelry means gold will be there. This and all is collateral. They will be having collateral, so risk is less. But for credit card, collateral is nil, so risk is high. So they have made this capital buffer high. And for personal loan also, so before like if a bank gives 100 rupees personal loan, they will take and keep 8 rupees aside for risk capital buffer. So this 8 percentage is risk. Now they are telling to take and keep 10 rupees, 10 percentage aside. See here, for every 10 for every 100, and for from previous 8 rupees. Before it was 8 rupees for 100, now it is 10 rupees for 100 rupees lent. This is capital buffer. And who has given this data, like this personal loan segment is increasing like that? Who has given this data is, it is given by CIBIL. Okay, because in that they are showing like loans which are overdue more than 30 days were at 0.84 percentage for all personal loans. However, for loans below 50,000, delinquencies were higher at 5.4 percent, which shows like very less amount loans, they are having more delinquencies. This was reported by CIBIL. So RBI has taken this step up. And about Reserve Bank of India, Governor of RBI is Shaktikanta Das. Headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, it is RBI has granted authorization to authorized dealer category 1 banks to open additional current account for export proceeds, supplementing the existing special rupee OSTR accounts. What they are telling is that authorized dealer category will be there. No, AD category 1. This AD category 1 banks, they can open one current account to get the export products. Like if by exporting, they will be crediting, they will be getting some amounts. No, to receive that, they can open one current account. This approval was given by RBI. This AD category is like they are authorized to do forex transaction. That is called AD category, authorized dealer category. And we will see some types of accounts. That nostro, vostro. Nostro account means, see, this is a domestic bank account. Like we can take it as SBI or Bank of India, Canara, whatever. And there will be foreign bank. Okay, HSBC we can take. HSBC it is here. This we will take it as SBI. Now Nostro account. SBI is keeping an account with HSBC in foreign currency. This is called Nostro. SBI, see, this is in, keep it as in dollar. SBI is keeping account in US dollar. That is called, in foreign account, it is called Nostro. If this HSBC keeps an account with the SBI in rupee, in our currency, this is called Vostro. Okay. Now Loro. Loro means, see, some another one bank we can take. We can take a Bank of Baroda. For example, Bank of Baroda does not have an foreign currency account. So what it will do? It will use SBI's account. This is called Loro, using other bank's account. Okay, this is called Loro account. Escrow account. Escrow account is like, see, two parties will be there. A, B. This is A, this is B, and this is C. This A and B both are strange to each other. So like, if they are doing any transaction, to trust each other, they will keep the funds with the C till the transaction ends. So for example, if A is sending a goods to B and B has to pay after the goods are received, so what they will do, B will, in before, he will keep the funds with the C. A also will accept, let the funds with the C. After A sends the goods to B, C sends the amount to A. So C is a third party, like a middleman. Okay. Next, RBI has levied some penalties, monetary penalties. Why RBI will review penalty? If they are not following with some guidelines, RBI levies penalties on them. Penalties on which banks and all means Axis Bank Limited, Manappuram Finance Limited, and Anand Rathi Global Finance Limited for non-compliance with various regulatory directives. First, penalty on Axis Bank. Reason of how much is the monetary penalty is 90.92 lakhs penalty on Axis Bank. Why this penalty is, during RBI statutory inspection for supervisory evaluation, they have found many deviations in Axis Bank. That's why they have put this penalty. And Manappuram Finance, how much is the penalty is 42.78 lakhs penalty. Why this penalty is, like, for NBFC, systematically important non-deposit taking company and deposit taking company, they have not followed this provision. Like RBI has kept this provision that non-banking financial companies, that systematically important non-deposit taking company and deposit taking company, they have not followed this provision, so they have put penalty of 42.78 lakhs. And Anand Rathi Global Finance, penalty amount is 20 lakh for non-compliance with certain provisions of RBI KYC Direction 2016. And about Reserve Bank of India, Governor is Shaktikanta Das. Headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and it is established in 1st April 1935 by Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Next, we are going to see about UPI Lite. We all be knowing UPI. UPI means abbreviation Unified Payment Interface. Okay, and on that lighter version, Federal Bank has launched. Federal Bank Limited launched UPI Lite. Okay, why this has been, UPI means for making transaction of higher amount. UPI Lite for small amounts, small value digital payments, and this does not require a PIN number. UPI PIN will be 4 to 6 digits. Okay, so this PIN number is not needed for UPI Lite. Okay, this UPI functionality was introduced by Reserve Bank of India in September 2022. Okay, UPI minimize the burden on CBS. What is the CBS? Core banking solutions. Okay, core banking systems. Core banking system means like I can tell you a tagline. If a customer is having an account with a one opening an account in one bank's branch, he is not a customer of the branch, he is customer of the bank. This is called CBS. So he can do his transaction anywhere in the country. That is called CBS. Okay, and there is a, what is the transaction limits? Per transaction limit is up to 500. Up to 500 you can send maximum, and maximum per day 4,000, and maximum balance in UPI Lite account is 2,000 rupees only. So maximum you can, per transaction you can send only 500 rupees, and per day maximum totally included you can tell only 4,000, and maximum balance in UPI Lite account can be 2,000 rupees. Next it is about unicorn. Mumbai based Incred Holdings Limited. It is a parent company of fintech startup Incred Financial Services Limited. It has become the second Indian startup company to become a unicorn, valued at over USD 1 billion in 2023. First, what is this unicorn? Unicorn means it is a privately starting company which will achieve value of $1 billion. If it is achieving a USD dollar of 1 billion, it will be called as unicorn. Unicorn company means it is a privately held startup company which is achieving the value of 1 billion. It will be called as a unicorn. After it raised its funds worth rupees 500 crore in its equity funding. And what this Incred Holdings will do, Incred Finance will do is like they will be giving loans, but now in this Incred Finance they have to do this across vertical, like consumer loans, student loans, and micro MSME, micro small and medium enterprises lending. They have planned to do this lendings. Okay, and we have learned this Incred is second. No, then who is the first? First is company name is Zepto. It is a quick commerce platform, became the first India's first unicorn in 2023. It raised US dollar 200 million in a Series E round of funding at a valuation of USD 1.4 billion. So it has crossed 1 billion, no? So it will be called as unicorn. And about Increda, founder and CEO is Bhupinder. Headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay, friends. Now we will see a quick summary of what and all we have seen. First, we have seen about that RBI has granted approval for appointment of Isha Ambani, Anshuman Thakur, and Hitesh Kumar Sethi as directors of Geo Financial Services Limited. And RBI strengthens regulations on consumer lending. That capital buffer we have seen now. That one. Okay, RBI has increased, and Reserve Bank of India has granted authorization to authorized dealer category 1 bank to open additional current accounts. Here we have seen about that Nostro Loro. And RBI has reviewed penalties on Axis Bank Limited, Manappuram Finance, and Anand Rathi Global Finance. We have seen about the amounts and the reason behind them. And Federal Bank has launched UPI Lite. We have seen the features of this, and maximum, minimum, like minimum we can send up to 500 rupees, minimum, maximum per transaction, and up to 4,000 rupees is that cumulative per day total you can send, and you can top up maximum of 2,000 rupees per time. You have seen this. And Mumbai based Incred Holdings, they have become the second Indian startup to become a unicorn. The first Indian startup is Zepto. Okay. Okay, friends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel to your friends also. And we request you to follow our channels and subscribe our channel in different platforms provided here, Affairscloud. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our channel.